I'm the pool science guy, and I'm coming today to tell you about who I am and why you should listen to this channel. So I'm retired Coast Guard. I'm a Rice MBA grad, and I have an undergrad in chemistry. This is what I love to do. I love getting into the details about pools. I'm fascinated in pools. Before I even joined the military, I actually worked at Leslie's for a little while. I ran a couple stores, and that's when I learned this is what I want to do later in life. So after getting out of the military, I bought my own store. I have a pool supply and service store here in Victoria, Texas. I'm a married man. I have a beautiful daughter, 13 years old, and I want to get down to the facts in pools. I see a lot in the industry where people throw out theories or things that has worked for them or not worked for them, but really it's just science, and I want to get into the science. So let me give you a small example of what I've seen in the last year of owning this shop. A lot of people look at their pool and it looks good. It's crystal clear, the water looks great, but in reality, that pool may have some issues. It may be imbalanced. Maybe you hop into a pool and you try to go swimming and your eyes get red. A lot of people blame chlorine for that, but it really could be your pH. So unless you have a microscope for eyes and you see 40 microns or less, you don't really know what's going on in the pool. I'm gonna get into that. We're gonna get down to the molecular level and we're gonna see what's going on inside that water and what chemicals actually work for you. We're also gonna go out to the field. I'm gonna take my licensed technician and we're gonna troubleshoot real-time issues, one at a time, and routine maintenance, how you should focus on things in your pool on a regular cadence. So if you like what you hear, follow this channel. We're here for that kind of content. Also, leave a comment. We want to hear what you think. We want to hear about problems you face in the industry. We want to review your water test and we want to answer your questions.